Myntdu River, one of the major water bodies in Meghalaya, continues to suffer thanks to encroachment and the lack of civic sense. Located in Meghalaya's West Jantia Hills district, Myntdu River is locally known as tawiar Katakan, which means our guardian angel in the Panar dialect. The river serves as a blessing to the residents of Juwai town and adjacent places, as it is the primary source of water besides irrigating the Myntdu Valley on the outskirts of Juwai. To safeguard the river, a group of preservationists from various localities voluntarily formed a forum, Khud Yakawa Myntdu, with youth leader Kro Lam Sakhiat as its chairman. During a recent meeting held at Lion Mission Compound Community Hall in Juwai, Paryat expressed his concerns over the drastic change in the river's condition because of modernization. He said, washing of clothes, vehicles and sand mining are major contributors to the pollution of the river.
Ni kum ginong shnong jangga Juwai bat ki shnong ki marjan ki badan ha tawiar jangga wa Myntdu. Ni yo umdi umbam haduk ki penthor ke ba ki badan ha kini ki tawiar jangga wa Myntdu. Ni yo tanggane ke wa Myntdu ko ai umni. Ten tagadaw ha kini ki snam mentala jan arpau na absan snam la lai. Ni yo iba ke wa Myntdu ka bengi khot ro ka jo por kum ka kten English ki ong ka angel guardian jeng Juwai. Mundan pat ka wai pat ka sos ka bengin yo umdi. Teka jingkali kami hangi. Kum kinong shnong bangi dang yo umdin am yo syo hanus nam arjat apwai. Kami ka jingkali hangi kumno ngin long menta nang no ngin yo ha Juwai bat ki shnong marjan.
The forum also informed that it would issue notices, raise awareness and urge the people of Juwai and the surrounding areas to take responsibility for their actions and not to rely only on the authorities.
Hakajing day bat ki ne ki nong shnong ki ba shong apo Juwai bat ki chagi shnong ki badan haberot jong Juwai ba wan sajjan hakawa chilenter jong kawa Myntdu. Ngin ay ki ka jing pen snauto halor ka jing penjaklia ya ka wa ka wanra ya ka jingma ka jingim namar ngitip ka jingim le dekam don ka don jingim ngin persang ban wanra yi an ki biadai bat ban ki an ki biadai bat ka bat yi gini ki an ki bangin le kersiu yi ki bor jong ka sarkar nado ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat na ka office jong DC jong ka West Jantia Hills kamtam badai pej rengkat bat ka municipal board.
The forum will also submit their petitions to the Meghalaya State Pollution Board, the Juwai Municipal Board and the Deputy Commissioner. TNT Bureau.